Good morning. Dahil istorya tag about kuan single life. Story tag ang singleness. Being single is not easy. I'm almost single for 14 years. 10 years. The last time I had my relationship was kuan 10 years ago. 10 years ago, 2014. Not to 2025, so almost 11 years, decade. Yeah, it's true, decade, but somehow, bisan within that years, nayapon ko yung mga naka-flirt. Natas ako ang balay, natas akong kusina again. This is my kitchen. Here, this dishwashing area, and doing my kuan. Yeah, so moto 10 years ago, I have my serious relationship, but it didn't work for some very, very secret reasons, and I didn't ako i-share. Basta mo to siya. So until now, I am still single, and enjoy lagi po na ako. There are times, there are nights na I feel lonely, I feel emotional, na ay mga panahon na I need someone to need sa babae. So, someone na rin mo hug, may cuddle, I already experienced naman sa of having someone to so dili na siya bago sa ko. There are times, there are nights nga mga nundoy ko, how I wish na ako someone to talk to, but there are days gihapon nga it's okay not to have a relationship. Wala lang, free imong mind, free imong soul, free imong wala kayo gina-worry. All you have to do, all you have is yourself, nga kailangan na nimo atiman nun. Wala kay gina-worry nga laing person, wala kay gina-worry nga being single is not really my choice. Kung pwede lang, I'm still longing for a relationship, someone I can have. Pero siguro, ini-enjoy ko lang at the same time yung waiting season ako. Until now, I'm already 37. I still enjoy it. Naka-explore gihapon ko. There are many days, there are many activity gihapon nga gusto na ko na experience in life while I'm still single. Siguro, dahil ko mga gusto ko na buhaton. And so then, okay, and like for example, the recent activity na akong experience is mountaineering, which is I used to do it when I was still in my 20s, but karon na ako siya na-experience again. So it's just fun. And then na-realize lang ako, I forgot my old self na hilig day ko mga ingon ani. So then, na-rediscover na ko kong self na hilig day ko mag-mountaineering. Pero, just kung naman to siya. Dahil kang ma-discover sa imong self. Aside sa pagiging single na dahil ko ma-discover dahil pwede ka gustong buhaton na feeling na ko dili gini na mabuhat if you have already if you have your better half na kay someone kay nga of course there are 50% of your life mag-rely na sa ilahang decisions or you need to rely your decision sa ilaha but karon nga single pa ka naanimutan ng decision sa imong life sa imong kagalingon. So, mo na siya, enjoy life, being single. Maybe, karong panahon na, even I'm already 36, or 37, maybe, still God wants me to embrace the season sa ako ang pagiging single. Enjoy na ako ang life. Enjoy doing my dishwashing. Diba? Without yaw-yaw. Wala, girl. Enjoy lang good kay. Lahi na yun, siguro, lahi na yun yun na natin relationship. Lahi na katag ka ng huna-hunaon, dili lang atong kagaling hasta atong partner. And soon, if magka-baby ka, samot, doble na yung muhang huna-hunaon. Adila doble, triple. Sa mong partner, dasad kay baby. O, diba? Salim sa akong amiga kahapon. Nagkita mo sa akong amiga kahapon. We're friends for almost 17 years now. And she's still single, but she's in a relationship, ha? But you know what? Even siya. Uy, itaw. Ako na yung kuan.
Salamat gitu.
Even ganyan akong amiga nga in a relationship na dapat gapon siya to get married because lahi ko na ang freedom na niya makuha sa pagiging single. Ano siya, diba? In a relationship na siya, how much ako. So again, enjoy na lang natin ito pagiging single while waiting for the right time for us. Mas maka-feel ka nga, you're so happy but gina-embrace mo at the same time, gina-feel mo nga you're free, wala kayo worries.